Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this lecture we will discuss the perfect and the perfect progressive or the perfect continuous tenses of both the present and past tenses. First of all, the present perfect tense. The present perfect is used to talk about an event that began in the past and continues up to the present. For example, he has lived in Modesto for 2 years. It means that he began living in Modesto 2 years ago and he still lives there. The present perfect is also used to talk about an event that was completed in the past, but the specific time of the event is not important. ये इसके लिए भी यूज होता है जब कोई चीज़ पास्ट में कंप्लीट हुई हो, मतलब कि मैंने एक मूवी देखी थी. आई हैव सीन दैट मूवी बिफोर. He has already visited Vietnam. So specific dates and times are not mentioned, but the thing which is talked about is completed in the past. The next tense is present perfect continuous or present perfect progressive. This tense is used to describe the duration of an action that began in the past and continues into the present. जो पास्ट में शुरू हुआ हो लेकिन प्रेजेंट में भी इसका वो कंटिन्यूस हो. For example, he has been studying grammar for an hour. She has been cooking all day. So he is still studying and she is still cooking. So इसका मतलब ये कि जो स्टडी कर रहा है वो अब भी कर रहा है और जो कुकिंग कर रही है वो अब भी कुकिंग कर रही है. So ये इसके it is also used to describe events that have been in progress recently and are rather temporary. जो temporary हो, मतलब कि she has been living in Taiwan for the last 2 months but she plans to move soon. तो ये इसके लिए भी यूज़ होता है. अब ये है past perfect. Past perfect tense जो है ना, it is used to describe completed events that took place in the past before another past event. For example, the Titanic had received many warning before it hit the iceberg. मतलब had received जो something that has been completed in the past. I had already eaten when my friend stopped by to visit. ये इस तरह भी इसका एग्जाम्पल हो सकता है कि he had visited Spain. तो past perfect continuous जो है it is also used to emphasize the duration of an action that was completed before another action or event in the past. मतलब ये कि it is used to emphasize the duration of an action, एक एक्शन की ड्यूरेशन के लिए जो पास्ट में किसी और चीज़ से पहले कंप्लीट हुई हो. मतलब कि she had been driving around the city for 3 hours before she finally found the right office. मतलब कि उसका जो राइट ऑफिस, अगर एक सही ऑफिस को मालूम होने से पहले she had been driving, वो कर रही थी around the city for 3 hours. So this emphasized the duration of an action जो एक एक्शन से इन द पास्ट पहले की गई हो और वो कंप्लीट भी की गई हो. जिस तरह की वो ड्राइविंग की बात कर रही है तो ड्राइविंग उससे 3 घंटे पहले हुई थी और ये कंप्लीट भी हुई थी. उससे पहले के वो राइट ऑफिस को फाइंड करे कि वो कहाँ पर है. सो दीज वर दी पास्ट परफेक्ट, past perfect continue, present perfect and present perfect continuous. So in the next lecture we will discuss the future tense. Thank you.